Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Solitaire on Jawaker. To start, open the game and observe the layout. Your primary objective is to arrange all 52 cards into 4 foundation piles, building each one from ace up to king, matching the suit. Look for any ace cards on the tableau and move them to their designated foundation spots to begin your game. The Solitaire board has several key areas. You'll see 7 columns, called the tableau, where cards are arranged in descending order with alternating colors. Above these are 4 empty foundation piles, waiting for you to build each suit from ace to king. On the top left, you have the stock pile, holding face-down cards, and next to it, the waste pile, displaying cards you've drawn. To play, move cards on the tableau by placing a card of a lower rank and opposite color onto another. For example, a black 5 can go on a red 6. This helps uncover face-down cards, revealing new possibilities. If you run out of moves on the tableau, draw 3 cards from the stock pile to the waste pile. Remember, only a king can fill an empty tableau column. To improve your solitaire game, always try to uncover hidden cards in the tableau first. This reveals more potential moves. Don't rush to move cards to the foundation if they can be used to free up other cards. Use the stock pile strategically, as you can cycle through it a few times. Planning ahead by several moves can help you avoid getting stuck and increase your chances of winning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.